Greetings, everyone. How y'all doing today? Yes, it's a beautiful Friday morning. I'm outside. I'm excited. Yesterday we got a lot of rain, and this morning it's beautiful, man. The sky is so beautiful this morning. The sun is in and out, but I know we're gonna have a gorgeous day because we have life, right? So we giving thanks for everything. And man, I decided to do some work on my garden. This is flower bed, and you have fruit trees, everything in your palm trees, everything. So I'm showing you, like, I'm trying to line up the stones then properly. I love stones. I mean, these stones are beautiful. So I like to do my garden with stones, and these are some nice stones. So I'm, redoing it, redoing the garden, and fix the stones them nice, get everything nice and beautiful, because everything is so beautiful in here. And I have a lot of flowers. I have look, this is a jackfruit tree, a little seedling I put in here, and look at it. And man, and this is a pomegranate right here, pomegranate in here. I'm gonna go over here. These are all ginger I put in here, ginger in here, and palm trees and apple tree, pineapple. I mean everything. Carrots. I put some of the carrots. Yes, and this is also a ginger plant. Very nice. It's a ginger plant, and these are. I'm trying to remember the name of these ground cherries. These are ground cherries. You do believe I eat the cherries and put the seeds in the ground, and look at these papaya. Everything is in here growing. More ginger over here. Yes, more ginger. All these plants in here. Yeah, bougainvillea. Yeah, these. Yes. the different ideas that I have. And so I'm just enjoying the day and just doing different little projects today that I need to do and catching up on stuff. So I'll be out here probably half of the day trying to get things together out here. So I hope you enjoy this little video, and I'll come back and see you all soon again. Much love to you all, wherever you are. Take care of yourself. Enjoy this video. Share it out, subscribe, and just give me your feedback. Yes, very important. Please share it out to your friends and your family, and subscribe. And we love you all, and take care of yourself, and I'll see you all soon again. All right, much love. Enjoy the beautiful Friday. Thank you.